as you can see, the color technique that we've done on her hair, we've done weaves and slices, and I'm just going to show you how we go ahead with this process. So just the top section is left, the top two weaves are left. So you take a slice of hair and then just pick up very thin, fine weaves on this section. As you can see, it looks nice and spread out. Currently we're using 9.1 with 40 volume, Streaks Professional range, and we apply a little bit of product again away from the root, and now we hold the brush vertically and spread the product properly all over the mid-lengths and ends so that it's spread evenly, and we have done with the color. So what we've done basically is we've used Streaks Professional Hold and Play Strong Moves in her hair, and we use a tool which is called the curling tong. So very gently we put the section of the hair onto the body of the curling barrel and roll the hair section inwards. We hold this position for a couple of seconds, a minute or two, and then after you've formed a sufficient curl, you gently release the hair to form a really nice, soft, even curl. Create curls with the help of a round brush, and we have put it away in bobby pins. So I'm just going to show you how we have done the pin curl. So you just take a section of the hair with your tail comb and then just very gently turn it all in with the help of your fingers, and then secure it, and then we put a spray to hold the style in place. So just to fix it very lightly, we are using Streaks Professional Hold and Play Strong Spray. We are doing the fishtail braid, and as you can see, the method in which I'm doing the fishtail braid.